You want to get nuts. That's how I got shot.
Drinking Mad Dog?
Yeah. I drank about a pint of that, just oh man, hell, I started kicking everybody's ass in sight until this bitch shot me. She shot 8 or 9 times. How many bullets were there? I mean, just bang, 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 and I only got hit once, so I guess she was a bad shot. I lost a pint and a half of blood on the way to the hospital, and it was only 2 miles to the...
Jack's been off the grid now for 8 years. We're back here on his property to check on him to see how it's going. What's going on, Jack?
What's up, boss?
What's going on, baby? Well, old man, how's it been going out here?
The same old, same old.
How many acres are you on out here?
30.
How much are your taxes out here?
142.
A year?
Yeah.
How's the weather been treating you out here?
It's about normal for this time of year, I guess.
Got down to about 32 last night.
That's what they say. Everything out here froze up last night. I'm sure it got down to 28, 27.
Yeah. Well, you gonna try to vote Biden in again this year?
Well, you know I am. That's my boy. He can probably ruin the country in another term.
You don't think he's ruined it already?
He's well on his way.
Yeah. So what's all this medicine you got over here to take?
Heart medicine. I'm trying to make another day. So all that keeps it regulated some.
A pill a day keeps the doctor away?
Well, about 6 of them does.
So, it's winter time. How's your solar been doing?
Doing all right. I can't complain.
Now you've been out here about 8 years?
Yeah.
Getting close to 8 years. So your batteries, your lead acid batteries lasted you about 8 years now, huh?
Well, they finally croaked. I guess it was a good run. I mean, you know.
So now you're running lithium?
Yeah. 12 of those. 100 amp hours.
You got 4 of them running 48 volt?
Yeah. Well, I get down to what they used to call it, Mad Dog 2020. Oh my God! You want to get nuts. That's how I got shot. I drank about a pint of that, just oh man, hell, I started kicking everybody's ass in sight until this shot me. I was beating the hell out of her boyfriend, and I guess that pissed her off. Yeah, that was pretty good.
You think you was gonna die?
Oh, fuck. No, I never thought that at all. I just, I was pissed, man. If I could have got my hands on that I'd have killed her. That's right. Or she was going to kill me. One knocked me down. I got back up, took off. I was going to hit that door with my shoulder and smash her ass right into that, hell, I was only 18 years old. I mean, I was an ass-kicking machine, man. Hell, I lost a pint and a half of blood on the way to the hospital, and it was only 2 miles to the... And the doctor said, it's that close to the main artery in your leg. And he said, if it would have hit that, you would have never made it.
So before I did the interview, I helped Jack cut up and split some wood. He's getting old and sometimes falling behind on storing up his firewood. This is vital to his survival off-grid because of his limited income. His solar batteries were now about 8 years old, and more than half of them had already failed. I installed this system for him when it was brand new. So we removed 16 6-volt batteries and replaced them with 4 12-volt 100 amp hour lithium batteries. At this point, anything was better than the old dead 6 volts that wouldn't even hold a charge overnight anymore. So we got everything finished up. Everything seems to be working good on the new lithium batteries. It's only 100 amp hours worth of batteries versus the 200 amp hours of batteries we took out of there. But these batteries are new and in much better condition. And also being lithium, we can run them down to around the 20% mark without hurting them.
What you got there, damn steak?
Yeah.
Rich motherfuckers.
No, that's all I have. $27.
Good God. Well, I guess that ain't bad anymore. Hell, a steak, you know, fucking, a steak is a steak. After your damn daddy took over the presidency, you used to get a steak for $15, now it's $30.
That dog is stalking me.
That's all what that fat boy needs.
Woo, happy baby right there. I mean, watch you pushing.
500.
It's that damn tree right there. I think it's got to come down, man. I like that tree, don't get me wrong. It's got to come down.
Yeah, that's a big fuck. My chainsaw won't cut that down. I know it won't.
That's a nice tree.
Yeah, it is. Probably worth $100.
I talked to Jack a couple weeks after we hooked this system up, and everything seems to be going real good. He does seem to be doing okay, but there is some 12 and 13 degree weather coming in the next week, so getting prepared for that is a must. Hopefully the negative, I can't see it. That's a negative. Positive. It's a negative, and then positive. All right. Well. So you got any plans to ever move back to the city?
You want the truth? Or I'd be out of some.
If you had the means, you'd be out of here?
Oh, we have the money.
Yeah.
I'm just too old for this shit, you know.
Yeah. It's tough on an old man out here, huh?
Oh, man.
What's some of the toughest things? I mean, just...
Gets cold, it's cold, and it's hot. I mean, you know, it's just...
Mostly because the house isn't set up for it. It's not insulated correctly, and, you know.
Yeah, I mean, if you were still in your 30s or 40s, I mean, it's a lot different than in your 70s. I mean,
yeah. How old are you now? 70?
71. I'll be 72 in a couple of months.
You know, he's probably right. When you get older, it does get a lot tougher. Especially if you're alone without any help. We're going to come back and check on him in a few weeks and see how things are going. If you got any ideas that may help the old man out, leave a comment on the video. I'd love to hear what you think.